Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how do you get more rolls and dice on Monopoly Go. So let's get into the video. So open up your Monopoly Go game, so application. So let me open up mine. So once I've logged in or open up, so what you're going to do, there's a couple of ways how you can earn these free rolls and dice. So how you can do that firstly is simply by logging in. So every day when you log in, you'll get rewards which includes free rolls and dice. So make sure you don't want to miss that. So try to log in every day. And apart from that, when you invite friends and when they accept your invitation and start playing with you, you'll get quite a lot of rewards, which includes quite like around 30 rolls and dices, which is pretty good. Then something that you shouldn't be missing out. So just try to get that. So and then next, apart from that, level up your net worth. So if you level up your net worth, you'll be eligible for free rolls and dice. So to do that, just purchase billing or upgrade your town. So you'll be able to get that. Apart from that, collecting a shield. So when you collect a shield, when your shields are full, will also get you free rolls and dice because you will be earning through that. You will earn rewards through that. And then apart from that, then another way that you can easily get free rolls and dice is by default, like every 5 minutes you'll get a free rolls and dice, which you can get up to 30 rolls as a limitation. That's maximum 30. So you can get that out. So a good way is just try to check back once every 2 hours to earn those free rolls and dice. So these are some of the ways how you can get these rewards. I hope this video is helpful to you all, and I will see you guys in another video, and thank you for watching. Thanks.